agentic AI platform. Hourglass on unhurry. Price increasing soon. Sintra AI is the world's first AI app that deploys 1,000 plus pre-trained, human-like, super agents that think, talk, sell, support, and automate your entire business 24/7 in any language. No coding. No hiring. No monthly fees. With Sintra AI, you can instantly launch AI agents that run your heavy checkmark sales, heavy checkmark marketing, heavy checkmark coaching, heavy checkmark client onboarding, heavy checkmark lead generation, heavy checkmark customer support, heavy checkmark affiliate promos. Completely on autopilot. Create agents using your face, voice, tone, and personality, or pick from 1,000 plus ready-to-use templates. Train them with any URL, PDF, document, or FAQ. Deploy them on websites, funnels, stores, blogs, or as voice/standalone agents, all in 60 seconds. Collision Super Agent Power. Combine multiple agents into a single, super chatbot that handles sales, follow-ups, support, and converting leads non-stop. Collision built-in CRM. Capture leads, track conversations, close deals, manage clients. Everything happens in one simple dashboard. Collision commercial license included. Sell custom AI agents for $1,000 to $2,000 each, or rent them for recurring income. This is your chance to start a six-figure AI agency with zero tech skills. 100 plus use cases. Coaches, agencies, e-com stores, affiliate marketers, restaurants, influencers, and small businesses. High voltage wise Sintra AI. Thinks, decides, and acts like a real human. Clone your voice and personality. Multilingual, 100 plus languages. Cloud hosted, fast and secure. Work 24/7 without salary or burnout. Replaces multiple expensive tools and employees. Wrap gift fast action bonuses worth $5,999 free. Training, agency setup guides, affiliate automation blueprints, multilingual marketing systems, and more. Shield 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. Transform your business or get your money back. Backhand index pointing right. Grab Sintra AI now, before the price goes up.